Welcome back to Everybody Automotive Inc. Today we're in the office and we're talking about a stop sale that has just came out from one of the big manufacturers on three of its top selling SUVs. Before we get started, if you don't mind, smash the subscribe button, helps a small channel out, thumbs up and notification bell, because we have a heck of a lot of great content coming up and I don't want you to miss it. And subscribing is free, so please help the small channel out. So as of today, GM has put a stop sale order on three of its midsize SUVs. You're probably saying, which ones is that? The 2026 model year Acadia, Buick, and Chevy Traverse all share the same GMC One platform and assembled at the Lansing Delta Township plant in Michigan. They all share basically the same underpinnings and the 2.5 liter turbo. Now, right now, GM is basically recalling it, or stop selling, not recalling it. But they're not really telling us a specific reason why. It's a quality concern or a quality issue that they're citing as the reason for the stop sale. So if you have one of these coming in, you've ordered it, you're on the lot looking at it, more than likely you're not going to be able to purchase it until whatever this thing is fixed. And again, because we don't really know what specifically they're talking about, it's really too bad, because these are GM's hot three SUVs, and it's quite interesting how it comes out. So as we get more of this unlocked, I'll definitely let you guys know. And as always, guys, I appreciate you guys being here, and I'll catch you on the next one.